The new Google AI just changed the game. Take a look at these visual, stunning images and cinematic videos, all created with Google new AI tool. What makes it special, it's not just about generating cool images. You can create consistent characters across multiple scenes, maintain the same styles, and even build a full story. Then take those images and turn them into smooth, high quality videos with just a few clicks. Whether you are telling a story, making content, or just exploring what's possible with AI, this tool is a game changer. Before proceeding, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's get started. Whisk AI is a new image and video generation tool introduced by Google, and its results are quite impressive. Right now, this tool is in experimental stage and this is completely free to use. Enter the tool and log in with your email account. Now let's start with our first prompt. At the bottom, we have option to get prompts, but we will stick with our own prompt. We will also keep it the landscape and the next option we want to keep it in the best quality, and you could log the seed number if you want to keep consistency across your story. Let's go ahead and send our prompt, and within a minute or two we get high quality and realistic images. So here are the amazing and quality results. Now let's try generating more quality image with this prompt. Secret agent in a black suit running through an alley in slow motion, raining, dramatic spotlight, handheld cameras, feel blue tone grading. And here we have it, the stunning cinematic images with the perfect results. To generate consistent character, there are multiple ways. Let's start by using the refine option. Now paste another prompt under this specific image and let's send this to generate an image for us. The image we got in a result looks 80 to 90% consistent with the first image. Now let's quickly try few more prompts. I've written the prompt, let me send it. And here I got the amazing results in two pictures. Here is my prompt and here is the image generated by this AI. Now let's go ahead and try to generate something really realistic. And here we got an amazing results of generating an elderly woman in a sunflower field with realistic facial impressions and image. Now let's try how this AI will perform with animations and cartoon style prompts. Now let's go ahead and see the adorable and vibrant output. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and test out the refined feature on this cartoon and give it a prompt. And here you go. We got the consistent and outclass result with a consistent background, consistent character, and consistent colors. Now let's say we want to create a complete story and we will give this prompt to generate our images in Ghibli style. So let's send prompts one by one. You can see these amazing results. Now let me send another prompt and I got the consistent image again with a perfect background and amazing results. Let's send another prompt. Again, I got the consistent result with the same hair color and clothes of the girl. Now let's see another prompt. The girl is showing consistency in hair colors and clothes. And in last image, she is playing with few children in the ground. Another method to generate consistent images, scenes, and styles is used to options on the left. Let's start by pasting our text prompt or upload a reference image. Now here this will give you all the visuals details of your image that you just have uploaded. Next, write down your scene details or upload your scene reference image. Now let's go ahead and provide the style prompt for our image. This has generated a perfect image for us. Let me show you one more amazing option to generate videos with Google VO2. This will get you an amazing and perfect result. So you could go ahead and try this out totally free. If all of this method helps you, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. Now let's go back to Whisk and proceed with video generation part. I've selected this image to create the video. I want to send this prompt for video generation. Now let's see the stunning results of our video generation. perfect. Amazing, outclass, and realistic results are here. Let's go ahead and animate another image of this cartoon. This time, I want to animate it without giving any prompt. Let's see the results for our empty prompts. We could see the character movement and a butterfly, but background is still. So it's better to give a prompt to get more dynamic results. By following all of the process I've shown in video, I have generated few videos from the images. As you can see on the screen, the next prompt I want to generate a Ghibli style image for a girl, and you can see here the amazing realistic and outlaws results. Now let's go ahead and animate this image, give it a prompt. So here we got the high quality, amazing and realistic results of the man on Blueprint. And that's it. You have just seen how powerful Google Whisk AI is. From turning text into stunning images to creating smooth and high quality videos. It's fast and it's seriously fun to use. If this helped you out, please smash the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more awesome AI tools and tutorials. I'm always sharing the latest tech tools to make your content creation easier, faster, and better. So don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.